Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing kitchen decor today, and I just wanted to do very simple, easy kitchen decor. Now that we're in a new season, and I wanted my kitchen to reflect the season that we are in right now. Right now I only have very simple stuff like white flowers and stuff, so I wanted to add a little bit of color just to feel like, you know what, the season has changed. So I went to Walmart to go grocery shopping. That was the reason I went to Walmart, because I have some of the decor at home already, but you know what, I went to Walmart to do some grocery shopping, and I end up finding some really beautiful home decor that are very inexpensive. So let me show you guys some of the stuff that I was able to get for $5. Guys, you won't believe this. So the first thing I was able to find was this tray. Look at how pretty this is, and this was only $5. I think the original price was like $10. I'm not sure, but it was it was lower than the original price. I got it for $5, and also got a matching, I don't want to break that. So I also got a matching vase. Look at how pretty this is. So this is actually really nice. I love the colors, the yellow, purple, green. The colors are really pretty. And also got some, so those are the two stuff, like home decor stuff, that I got from Walmart. I also have some home decor stuff already at home, so I just went ahead and bring them out. And the groceries, so I got some groceries from Walmart. I also got some cups, like coffee cups from Walmart. Guys, I love to drink tea, I love to drink coffee. At least I have 1 cup of tea or 1 cup of coffee a day. So these were like $2.97. These are very inexpensive, very pretty. I love them, so I'm going to add this to my collection. I bought only 2 of this. I also got this one. Look at how pretty this is. Look at this, guys. Is this not gorgeous? I love vase. Like, look at this, and it's really big, and it was really inexpensive. And yeah, those are some of the home decor and groceries that I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to show you guys how I changed my previous stuff that I put there and exchange it. Like, I'm going to also do some dishes, because you know what, kids are always eating, and there's always dishes for me to do. So let's just get into this transformation, at least just a little bit of change in here for fall before Christmas. All right.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I'm going on.
So guys, this is my little fall decor. Guys, let me know what you think about this decor. Does it look good where I place my stuff, like the flowers, the vase, and the tray there? Let me know. Do you guys like it? Do you think I should add more stuff to it, more color? Because the kitchen is pretty white and I do love white kitchen. So I just like to add a little bit of colors here and there. And yeah, that is all about this video. Thank you for coming and watching. Thank you for cleaning with me today, guys. I love to listen to music. If you saw me dancing, I was listening to music. And yeah, that is all about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. So good.